What's going on, everyone? I am Joe Maxey with MAXCO Dumpsters. I am joined here by Junior Alfonso with Evolution Welding. We are here in South Florida, going to be checking out some of their new products, some of their old products, some of the things that they are tweaking and developing over time. And we are also going to be giving away a couple dumpsters to the guys that won them at our Dumpster Runners Network event 2 weekends ago. Stay tuned. I got a lot of cool things in store for you. Let's check this out.
Good morning, everybody. I want to welcome you guys to Evolution Welding and Fabrication home base. This is one of our warehouses where we store our dumpsters at. As you can see, we got some nice color combos here working out. Dumpsters, 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 and more dumpsters. We got in the paint booth a black trailer that's about to get wired up after it comes out of the stage of painting. This is home base. This is where we do sales at. This is where we hug each other, love each other, make money, make moves, eat, have dinner. We're thankful. We thank you guys for coming down such a long ride. I know it's crazy, it's hot out here, but we're making it happen here over here at Evolution Welding and Fabrication. We want to thank you, MAXCO, for taking time out of your crazy days to come down here and share some time with us. Come to the office. This is where our energy is transferred. We keep it peaceful in here. God first, always. And this is where it happens. You know, Joseph sits here, I sit here. Sometimes I sit here. That's Barbara's desk, as you can see.
Barbara ended up with the good shop.
She got the view, man. You know, she got to make sure everything is running correct, you know. And then we got Vince over here. We got the fully loaded fridge for our customers that come in. Always have a drink ready for you guys. And this is Evolution Welding and Fabrication, and you're welcome here anytime. Thank you very much. God bless.
So I want to give a huge thank you to both Junior and Christian with Evolution Welding. We gave away a couple dumpsters at the Dumpster Runners Network event 2 weekends ago. They got built, assembled, painted, whole 9 yards in 2 weeks' time. I got both the winners down here. Shout out to Sam with Dumpster Rental King, as well as Paul with Academy Class Dumpster. Both took the time to come down here. We enjoyed a weekend together, got some great food, visited little Havana. Huge thank you to Evolution Welding. They have been a big help for these events the last couple years, and I'm really looking forward to seeing where all this goes. Say what up, everybody.
What up? Well, closing them up strong. Closing them up strong.
Yeah. MAXCO.
Lucas, why aren't you at your desk?
She took it from me today.
Lucas, why aren't you at your desk?
This guy.